The wait is finally over. Oasis is back. With their reunion officially confirmed, fans are preparing for one of the most historic comebacks in music history. But this time, it's not just the Gallagher brothers. Oasis is reuniting with a key piece of their legendary golden era. As excitement for the Oasis reunion reaches a fever pitch, fans have been treated to more details surrounding the band's lineup. Initially rumored to feature just Liam and Noel, it's now confirmed that none other than Paul Bonehead Arthurs will be joining them. For those who don't know, Bonehead co-founded the band before Liam or Noel even joined, back when Oasis went by the name The Rain. His rhythm guitar work was instrumental in creating the band's early sound, something fans have sorely missed since his departure in 1999. Bonehead's return is a massive deal for longtime Oasis fans. He was a key part of the band's rise to fame, from the release of their debut album, Definitely Maybe, to the legendary What's the Story Morning Glory era. It was during this period that Oasis became the voice of a generation, with Bonehead laying down the iconic rhythms behind tracks like Live Forever and Wonderwall. Having played alongside Liam during the recent anniversary tour, it seemed inevitable that Bonehead would join the Oasis reunion. And now, with confirmation of his involvement, fans can expect the magic of the 90s to return full force. In a world increasingly divided, the Oasis reunion comes at just the right time. More than just a rock band, Oasis has always been a uniting force for millions of people. Their music transcends boundaries, bringing light, hope, and positive energy even in their separate interviews. Whether it's Noel's sharp wit or Liam's raw passion, just hearing them talk can uplift fans. The Gallagher brothers may be known for their sibling rivalry, but they both agree on one thing. Oasis is a band that brings people together. And in 2025, they'll have the opportunity to unite people once again, not just in the UK, but across the world. The Oasis reunion tour is already shaping up to be one of the biggest events in music history. While the original run includes 14 shows, it's been revealed that the band is planning to add multiple extra gigs to the 2025 tour. With tickets expected to sell out in minutes, this is your chance to witness a legendary band return to the stage with the lineup that made them famous. For Oasis, this isn't just about playing the hits. It's about reminding the world of their ability to create moments that transcend music. From Bonehead's iconic rhythms to the unforgettable vocals of Liam and the sharp songwriting of Noel, Oasis is back to deliver the experience of a lifetime. Oasis was more than a band. They were a movement, a soundtrack to the lives of millions. And now, with Bonehead back in the mix, their reunion couldn't come at a more important time. In a world that feels more divided than ever, Oasis has the power to bring us together. So are you ready for the greatest comeback in rock history? What are your thoughts on the Oasis reunion? Who's excited to see the original lineup take the stage once more? Drop your comments below and don't forget to subscribe for the latest updates on their 2025 tour and beyond.